Hello.
What's up, guys?
What's up, guys?
So, today, nagbabalik na naman tayo sa panibagong Roblox video.
Uy, grabe naman! Nag-flew ako
Grabe
din!
naman yun. Intro pa nga naman, nag-blow up agad. Ay, guys, di na tayo mag-i-intro, may pumapalay sa atin. So, yun, guys, pangalan nga pala ng game na to, Eat the World na Eat the World.
Yeah, it will.
So, yun, guys, magpapalaki lang tayo dito hanggat, yeah. Dapat i-50
Grabe naman, nag-flew ako din. Nag-flew.
Ano na to? Nag-flew ka rin.
Get out!
Yeah!
Nag-flew
Guys,
ako,
ito nga pala,
grabe.
guys. Pag nakita nyo to, guys, huwag kayong lumapit sa kanya, guys. Roller lang. Itong YouTube.
Alam ko na, guys. I'll get my revenge,
Report
guys.
nyo na lang kung gusto nyo. Report nyo na lang. Saan ka, Jerson? Wait lang.
Dito na ako.
Laki
Saan
agad,
na yun? Saan na yung guy na yun?
Ayun,
He will be cooked by me.
Ayun, so.
Saan na yun?
Ayun, Ala,
Si want to bully me, eh? No worries, little
Marvel
bro.
movie na to, guys. Marvel movie.
L.
You get it!
You wanna bully me, eh?
Yeah!
You wanna bully me, eh? Sure, why not bully me? Go ahead and bully me.
Ako inatok nyo, ako inatok.
Oh, so you wanna bully my friend now, eh? No worries, after I get my
Asal ko rin
15,000.
na! Jelson!
Ding! Little bro can't even touch me no more. Come here, little bro. Is that all you got?
You baka?
Is that all you got, Nick? Nia, is that all you got, Nia?
Nia!
Oy.
That's what you got here, Nia. You saw, you
But that-
baka! You
No saying
better!
N-word.
He
No
left.
saying N-word. No saying N-word.
Yeah.
No saying N-word.
Yeah.
Might get demonetized.
Yeah.
YouTube, hindi.
YouTube, I said Nia, bro. I said Nia.
Same right said na.
I said Nia, YouTube. I said Nia.
YouTube, we did not say ni.
Yeah, we didn't say the Nia.
You say na.
Ito nga pala, imimit ko nga pala itong music. Baka makapiright tayo. Ayun, swear God, the music to, ano.
Yeah.
Nag-left naman. Bading naman yun, nag-left.
Nag-leave siya? L.
Yeah. Is gay.
Easy little bro.
May apaka lang naman nun. Ano itong kulay purple? Pala guys, content ay content daw. Next episode ko nga pala guys, Valorant naman tayo.
Bro!
Tagal natin walang upload eh. Around 2 weeks. Nata tayo walang upload.
I'll show her the full power of me. If you want to eat me, I'll show the full power.
Full power.
I'll show her the full power. Uy, may golden apple dito. May golden apple.
Saan?
Dito.
Akin na lang.
Ito. Oh, sige. You better throw it to the noob.
Tago mo. Magta. Ilang height ba to?
Sige, tawag ko. Ay, sorry! sorry. Grabe.
Yeah!
Saan ka na? Saan ka na?
Stuck.
Saan ka na? Grabe.
Don't slow me, bro. You don't slow me.
Oh. near the apple kasi.
275 yun, di ba yung apple? 275.
Yeah, but if it's really big, I don't know, like 200 or more.
Buti Ayun na, madaming food dito. Ito nakita. Dapat tigwa 100 naman to. Yung pag may food na nakita. Para hindi. Yan, meron na akong golden na ba? Kuha na ako ng golden apple. Let's go. Yeah.
Bilisan mo. Ito, golden apple.
Yeah,
Ito,
yeah, yeah. Yeah,
from
yeah, yeah.
Minecraft. Oh, golden apple from Minecraft. Get
Dalawa,
out!
magiging dalawa health mo. Dadagdagan yung health mo yan. Ang
Is that a
dami,
golden
grabe.
apple from Minecraft?
Yeah, probably, yeah. Hey, you big head. This is your apple. Big head.
What do you call him? Big head. But now we're
Muntikan,
cooked by
muntikan,
him.
muntikan, muntikan ko na ano, muntikan ko na nga pindutin yung kala ko Minecraft.
Sa akin yung pizza na yun, ah. Or
Huh?
you can throw it to the noob. Throw it to the noob. Throw it to the noob.
No, I want to eat this. I want to eat
No,
this.
throw it to the noob. It's so much better.
Okay,
Use like 100.
okay.
Yata.
Oh, you baka, this is your food. Big baka, bro. That is Brian, bro. That is Brian. That's big
True,
baka.
that's big baka.
Yeah, bro. That is the big baka. That is Brian.
Did he eat it? Did he eat it? Did he eat it?
Yeah,
Did he? Did he? Did he? Did he?
yeah, no,
Did he?
uy, naka-record tayo. Cut, Ryan, cut.
He did.
Cut yun kayo. Cut. Uh, so, ayun,
Skibbity,
guys.
skibbity, have to hop, have to sing.
Skibberly,
You guys stole my food.
oh, there is that. Ay, giant. Giant. And then, it's so big. Big. Big.
Grabe naman.
Naka yung recording, ha? Baka,
Razor, ya, ya, ya.
ay, naka yung recording.
Razor, ya, ya, ya.
Kala ko. Ito, testing nila.
Razor, ya, ya.
Mayor, yeah. YouTube, we say mayor, yeah, yeah, yeah. We didn't say the name. And so, yeah. One
This
more
Razor, ya, ya, ya guy, I'm gonna kill him. Let's kill this guy, let's kill this guy, let's bully him. Kill him.
Yeah. Magbato-bato ko nga lang doon, pawalain mo.
Ayun. Gravity. Grabe, 17,000 size na ako.
Sana all.
Ang easy mag-grind ito kasi
Kaya nga, eat ka lang. Utang guys ka. Ay, saan yun?
oh, tiny burger just for me. Yummy. Wait na to.
Pinili mo ba yung ano, yung size multiplayer? Multiplier
Yes.
para multiplier. So that's why mabilis ka mag-level up. That's why.
Duh.
That's why mabilis ka mag-level up. Bibilis ba yung pag-level up mo yung pagkakin mo na pag-gain mo yun?
Duh.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Then I will grind for that. 40k only. Okay. Bari. Bilis ka mag-level up o ba? Basta pala food, mabilis ka mag-level up.
Isaac got it 2 times. The size multiplier.
Kaya palang bilis mo.
Grabe, anong size ka na? 7K lang.
Ay, start ako. 5-5.
Uy, grabe sa akin yan. Nom, nom, yummy. Bagera!
Gera! Ako hindi recording it lang.
I killed her na. She's dead.
Yeah, let's go. Patayin mo lang yan. Patayin mo lang yan. Yan yung kumukuha ng shiny ko palagi na araw. So yun guys, nga pala guys, hindi ko alam kung magpapas kami ng Valorant. Spoiler alert, spoilers. I am giving guys,
Spoiler ka dyan.
spoiler alert, magpa-content yata kami mamaya ng Valorant. Nag-advance kasi ako sa larong sa Defuse RTS, kaya dinanood ko na yung Valorant.
Get out!
Valorant bro, Valorant. Nagsimula sa una kasi number 1 5 siyan
Of the idea.
of the Adet Guerra.
You might get demonetized.
Tama ka na tama demonetize. Ikaw kasi. Salawang dito. Halimbawa. Baka pa may nagpapamalas ka.
Get out of here, Jonathan! Get out of here, man! Get out of here! You suck!
You suck, Dere. Di mapakali, ikaw aking misya. Excuse me. Sana ako bang guess ko? Ako dito, parang yan ang mahuwan. Mga pumaya pa ako
Lambo. Jumbo.
You go!
No, you get out.
You go! Hindi, itong babae to.
Okay.
Patayin! Tibagin ko nga ito, patayin ko.
Who did I kill now?
Tapatay mo ito, nasa akin itong babaeng nagtagaw sa football. You go!
Saan ka? I don't even see you. Saan ka na?
Nag-teleport. Bading. Bading.
Nag-teleport ka ba ngayon? So there you are.
Maba. Takot siya eh. Lawag niya eh.
Takot siya.
So, madaming pagkain na maliliit. Ayun. Bye.
You're mining nga.
Guys. Hindi, pwede ka kumanta basta hindi yung sound, yung kanta lang. Yung kanta.
Of the island breath.
Island breath, gala.
We're gonna get demonetized, yo. Peace, I'm going to this island.
So, yun guys. Gagawan ito nga pala guys, announcement. Nga pala guys, magdadalawang recordings ako. Kaya guys, pag pinas ko tong video na to, okay, mag-aalala, mag-upload agad ako in the same seconds. Siguro may gap na 14 minutes or something 1 minute. Pero magre-record pa rin ako pag magdadalawang record ako. Kaya abangan nyo yung part 2. Gagawa na agad kami ngayon. So, bye-bye. Peace out!
Bye-bye!
Subscribe!